Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening clips and granting camera, microphone, and photos access so media flows in smoothly. Once done, tap the plus button to create a new project and pick an aspect ratio like 16:9 for YouTube or square for social. Next, import footage from Photos or iCloud or Record directly in the app. This places clips on the timeline immediately. Make sure to skim clips and mark the portions you want. That first trim speeds up every later edit. Now you edit. Pinch to zoom timeline, drag clip edges to trim, or place the playhead and split where scenes change. This creates cleaner pacing. Use live titles to transcribe speech automatically, then tweak wording and timing to match cuts. Add filters, animated stickers, and a backdrop track from the music menu. Make sure to lower background music with the volume slider when voice is present so spoken parts stay clear. Keep checking playback so rhythm and audio feel natural. To finish, tap the share icon and choose Save Video or a direct share target like Messages. Pick 720p, 1080p, or 4K depending on your destination. Make sure the correct orientation and captions are on, then save to files or upload to social apps. If export fails, check free storage and close other apps, then restart clips. Also make sure iPad OS and clips are updated. Doing those steps fixes most problems quickly, and then you can re-export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.